if the cinema trip from example 1 has more than 10 people, tickets for the 11th person onwards cost $10. Remember from example 1 that the tickets cost $15 per person. We want to draw the graph for this situation. So what we have is that the first 10 people pay $15 each. So the origin is on because if nobody goes, it doesn't cost anything. And then we have $15 per ticket for the first 10 people. So 3 people are going to cost 45, 4 people will cost 60, 5 people cost 75, 6 people are going to cost 90, and then 7 people will cost 105, and 8 people are going to cost 120, and then 9 people will cost 135, and finally 10 people are going to cost $150. But what happens at that point is that the ticket's now only going to cost $10. So when we go to the 11th person, that's going to go to here. The 12th person is going to be there. The 13th person is going to be here. And the 14th person is going to be here. The 15th person will be here. And so on. So let's just mark on a few more of those. Now what you can see, and remember we shouldn't draw a straight line through these because it's meaningless between the people, but just to illustrate our point, it's not the same straight line. And it won't have an intercept at 0, 0. So what we have is a situation where we had direct proportionality up to here, but then it was broken. So when it says, why is this not an example of direct proportion? It is for the first 10 people, but then it gets broken. It's then a different line, so we lose our proportionality. Over here, going up by 1 person goes up by $10, and here up by 1 person goes up by $15. But it's not proportional in this one because, of course, it doesn't go back through the origin. So it ceases to be direct proportion as soon as they change the value per person.